Yes, student, today we will going to learn about similar triangles. So before starting, let us revise what are similar polygons. So we have learned previously that if we have two figures in such a way that they have the same shape but they have different size, then they are said to be similar. So here are two polygons, both looks like a rectangle. Here let its size be 3 centimeter by 2 centimeter, and here it is 5 centimeter by 2 centimeter. Then since both of them have the same shape but they have the different size, here 3 by 2 and 5 by 2, so they will be called as similar polygons. So it is about similar polygons. The same things happens for the similar triangle. Since the word is similar triangles, it means they have the same shape. Shape is same. What is the shape? Triangle. Now why they are called similar? We will talk about their size. So when we come to the size of a triangle, if we see the triangle, we come to the parts of the triangle. Among the parts of the triangle, if we exclude the vertices, we have angles and the sides. This side, angles and the sides. So if we come to the size of the triangles, then we will say two triangles are similar if they have different size. What is different size? It means their angles are equal. If their angles are equal but their sides are in the ratio. This point you have to note, their sides are in the ratio. Angles are equal but sides are in the ratio. So we will say two triangles are said to be similar if they have corresponding angles as equal and corresponding sides in the ratio. Let us name the triangle as A, B, C, D, E, F. So on the basis of this statement, two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. So if we say angle A is equal to angle D, it is not necessary that angle A is equal to angle D. It can be equal to E, or angle A can be equal to F. So right now I am taking angle A equal to angle D. If angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. All the angles are equal. All the angles means one angle of one triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle. So that's why we are saying corresponding angles are equal. Come to their sides. AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF. AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF. So if their corresponding sides are in the ratio, it means AB, the length of AB upon length of DE is equal to length of BC upon length of EF and the length of AC upon length of DF. Then we will say triangles are similar. Now what happens? If we have to check any triangle as similar, then do we have to check all the angles as equal and all the sides as in the ratio? No. There is some rule fixed for it, so which are called as criteria for similarity of triangle. So according to this criteria, we don't have to check all the angles or all the sides. We just have to follow the criteria for the similarity. So here is the criteria for similarity of triangles. So there are three criteria. Number first is angle, angle, angle. Angle, angle criteria. Number second, side, side, side. Side, side, side criteria. And number third is side, angle, side criteria. So come to the first criteria, angle, angle criteria. Since here is given angle, 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 it means we just have to look the angle of one triangle and the angle of the another triangle. It means we have to check their angles. And if we come to the angle, we have to check angles are equal. So let us take the figure. If we have a triangle A, B, C in such a way that one angle is given 60 degree, another angle is given as 40 degree. And the second triangle we have D, E, F. In this triangle, we have this angle as 60 degree and this angle as 40 degree. And if we don't know the measurement of the third angle, then we can tell the measurement of the third angle. It is not necessary that you just have to check all the three angles. If two angles are given as equal, then their third angle will also be equal, because we know that according to the angle sum property, we can find the angle of one triangle and also the angle of second triangle. So on the basis of that, their third angles will also be equal. So here we are observing angle B is equal to angle F. Here angle B is equal to angle F because both of them are equal to 60 degree. Angle C is equal to angle E because both of them are equal to 40 degree. Then if we find the value of angle A on the basis of angle sum property, then we will find it will be equal to 6 plus 4, 100. And we know that the sum of all the three angles is equal to 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 100, it will give 80 degree. So it means angle A will be equal to 80 degree. It is equal to 80 degree. So here also, because both the angles are same as in case of first 60 and 40, so these two are also equal to 100, and when it is subtracted from 180 degree, then the angle D will also be equal to 80 degree. It means according to the angle sum property, the third angle are also equal. So angle A is equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle D. So if we observe in two triangles, any two angles are equal, then the third will also be equal. Then we will say that the two triangles are similar. By which criteria? Angle, angle criteria. Come to the second, side, side, side criteria. Here side, side, sides, no angle is there. And if we come to the similarity of triangle, we have learned that in similar triangles, angles are equal. And what is the relation between the sides? Sides are in the same ratio. So we have to check their ratio. So let us take some figures. I am taking two figures. Let me name it again as A, B, C. Let this is 3 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, and this is 8 centimeter. And another figure, let this be D, E, F. This is 4.5 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter, and this is 9 centimeter. Then if we divide 3 and 4.5, then what we're going to observe? 3 upon 4.5. If we going to solve it, it will be equal to decimal equal to 0, 5, 630, 5 9 45. Again with the table of 3 it will be cancelled. 3 2 6, 3 3 9. So it is equal to 2 upon 3. Next, if we take 6 upon 9, means BC upon EF. This we have taken AB upon DE. It is equal to 2 upon 3. If we take BC upon EF, this is equal to 6 upon 9, and after cancellation it is also equal to 2 upon 3. Both the ratios are equal. Come to the third side, AC upon DF. If we see AC upon DF, AC upon DF, AC upon DF, then this is equal to 8 upon 12. So 4 to 8 and 4 3 12. So this is also equal to 2 upon 3. So here we are observing that the ratio of the sides, it means AB upon DE, it is equal to BC upon EF and equal to AC upon DF. So on the basis of side, these two triangles are said to be similar. Again, two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. On the basis of this criteria, we will say their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now move to the last two criteria, that is side, angle, side. Here side is there and the angle between them. So let us understand it by taking an example. So again I am taking a figure. Let me name it as A, B, C. Suppose this is 2 centimeter. This side is 4 centimeter and this angle is equal to 50 degrees. The measurement of these two sides is given and the measurement of angle is given. Come to the next figure. We have triangle T, D, E and F. Here the measurement of DE is suppose 3 centimeter, DF is 6 centimeter and again angle is 50 degree. So if we observe these two triangles, the angle between the sides are equal, 50 degree, 50 degree. So let us check the ratio of the side. If we take AB upon DE, here we have AB upon DE equal to 2 upon 3. Now let us check the ratio of another side, that is AC upon DF. It is equal to 4 upon 6 and after cancellation it will be equal to 2 upon 3. So both of them are in the same ratio, AB, that is 2 by 3, and the angle between them is equal. So we will say these two triangles are similar on the basis of the criteria side, angle, sides. So two triangles are said to be similar if the angle of one triangle is equal to the angle of another triangle. So two triangles ABC and DEF are said to be similar if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle and the sides containing the angles are in the same ratio. So we will say the triangles are similar by which criteria? Side, angle, sides. Thank you.